can get job easily.
I think that a big problem. I think that a big problem in front of our education and sport a corruption, because in 2011 in Commonwealth Games sport officer play a sport corruption and big corruption in Commonwealth Games, because there is, because they found they improve their pockets, and if we escape this problem, our government take strict rule in sport officer.
As you know that the level of sports in our country is not so good, and if we want to improve this level of the level of sports in our country, we have to start from the schooling system of our country, because most of the schools of our country does not consider sport a important thing. They think that this is a optional thing, and they do not pay attention on this. And if we want to improve this, we have to participate in the sports activities from the school level, and hence we can enhance our interest in the sports.
Presently, there are a shortage of the government sports academies, and some private academy has a huge expensive, and a low and middle class family players cannot afford the expensive of the private sports academy. So government start more and more government sports academy, and play in school is very important, and government should a part of the players is in the education system.
In 2020, the Boxing Committee decided that we are going to championship in India, but we are seeing that in India, no, India have to postpone the boxing championship due to lack of money. India government decided to postpone.
Well, friends, you said very well about sports.
A good image of a sport person in our country, but now it has changed completely. Indian sport person are increasing day by day, and it helps us, our country, to make it bright. And now there is a competition in sport also as a competitor in sport field.
Well, friends, you explained very well about sport. In my point of view, sports plays an important role in our life, and it makes us healthy physically as well as mentally. And I think India faces many problems about this, because and one of them malnutrition. Because a child who comes from a poor country, their parents are not able to give them good type of food. Thus, he suffers from malnutrition, and a good food is always necessary for physical fitness and mental fitness.
I am agree with my bro. I agree with
Chase
number 11. As we know, the youth of India is too much good in sports, but it not get the better chance in sport because of because of corruption of some malnutrition, and the sport person's child can get chance easily in comparison to another person's.
Sports player is essential role in our life. As we all know, it is benefit for our physical fitness and also for our mental health. The youth students are very getting interest in sports, but there are many challenges which is facing our government to spread the awareness of sports. There are lack of infrastructure, lack of money, and the poor politics which is spread by the politicians to snatch the golden opportunity of the youth.
One major drawbacks in the sport of the India, we do not know about many games. In India there are some games are famous as cricket and hockey. That we encourage the people to play the game which is played in this worldwide. And we in India we host many sports events and year by year.
If we look at the right condition of sports in our country, it does not seem as bright as like other countries, because there are a lack of infrastructure, funds, and good coaches in our sports.
I think
and
that
there are also a lot of politics in sport federation. And becoming a sport person is like a dream to the poor people of our country, because if you want to become a sports person, we have a lot of money and good infrastructure and good diet and good coaches for the for our sports. So, there should be a reforming committee to help the poor section of our country to emerge and show their talent on the national level.
Sports keep us fit. To encourage sports, physical education must be in the schooling time. So there are most of the children which are engaged in the digital devices. Their mind will be diverted to the sports. They will interest to take in the sports medium.
I think that government provide many facility toward the government and toward the sports facility, because if someone play the national sport and he got win, then government provide a job facility and also provide some celebrities provide donate money to make our great future in the sport campaign. And it is a best opportunity toward the who are really interested to play the sports, and like there are many games in our country like hockey, football and running, also shooting sport also provide in our facility. These sport facility are provided by the initial time such as in school time, and government provide a facility in a school time. In mostly government school we have to see that the government provide a shooting facility and also running, and they provide a best coach from the college.
I agree with chess number 7. The Khelo India is big platform sport person, but is not sufficient because the largest populations of India and the youngest one of the in the world youngest population of India is ranked first, and the government should.
Yeah, in 2020 India population is 1.38 billion and hardly India won 8 or 10 gold medal in Olympic. This is not the bright future of our country. While other country 35 crore population and they won 100 plus gold medal. This is the bright future. We cannot say our country is going to be a part of good sport country in the world.
Yes, I agree with my colleague as he said that mostly in our country there is a high population of our country, and it also provides if someone is going to win in the international game, and it also improve the country international relation toward the other country.
For improving the ranking of the India in the sports quota, our government start some encouragement programs to the players of the India and start sports scholarship for the poor and middle class students. It is a good step of India to encourage the people in sports quota.
Okay, stop. Excuse me. I don't agree. Okay, let him speak.
I don't agree with my friend chess number 9 because he is saying that the World Boxing Championship is postponed by fund. It is not true. We see the coronavirus spread very rapidly in India. So due to coronavirus, the game postponed.
So I want to say that sorry, I apologize for the postpone. The game is cancelled, and the game is cancelled.
No, it is not cancelled. It is conducted in Serbia.
Yeah, and India said that in newspaper due to lack of money, we have to cancel the championship.
Because in India, coronavirus is spread very rapidly, and in now situation to conduct this game is not good for any country and also athletes.
Yeah, not only in India, everywhere is coronavirus. So how can we say that due to coronavirus, India cancels the program?
Okay,
The number of coronavirus cases is increased day by day in India very rapidly, and overall second position.
Okay, stop it. Stop.